So here we have an ENCO 9" by 49" knee mill package. Here's a 230 volt 3-phase model. This also includes an Accurate View 3-axis digital readout system with the scales. You got one on the X, the Y, and the Z axis. That would be the knee lift. It also includes a power feed table. This is a Workhorse AL500P. All the functions operate on here very nicely. We tested just about everything on here. The only thing is we couldn't get the head up here because the ram right here it broke a piece out, so we could only get it about halfway up. I also pulled one of the screws out here. As you can see here, some of the castings right here that broke off, and it looks like one of the bolts up in there is bent also. So we don't know how that happened, whether it happened during shipping or when somebody was setting it up and it's a customer return. We're not quite sure. But in any case, it's going to need a new ram. What we're going to do is we're going to fire it up just to show you that the head operates and all the other functions. So currently have it on the low setting here. Everything on the head operates. Has a power down feed. Alright. We pull that back. And the quill comes down. And it comes back up. So we checked all the variable speed on here. It's a belt drive. We also checked the high and low gears, the brake operates good. We checked the high gear, we won't put that on right now. It's going the opposite direction. So you can switch this to the opposite direction here. There we go. Hit the brake. Okay, we're just going to go to the power feed table here. There's a rapid switch. We have an emergency stop here. Okay. Go in the opposite direction. Rapid switch. There's a safety switch. And of course, here's your digital readout. See how that operates. There it goes. So that's for your X-axis and then your Y-axis. As we turn this, adjust your Y-axis on here. What you do, you can set that back to 0 if you want. Remember, it was 0. Z-axis, enter 0. You get it back to 0. I'll show you that the Z-axis also operates. And you do your knee lift here. Alright, so all the functions appear to operate very nicely on here. We don't have the handles for this section of the handle that sticks out here, your grab bar. Looks like that. Now, it's missing for this side and the other side of the table, and also your y-axis. Here's the handle. That's the original handle. We just put this one on here so we can just test it and make sure it operates smoothly. Okay, so all three of those grab handles are missing. Okay, oiler operates fine, has no signs of use. Just a little bit of rust from storage on the table. It's just surface rust that should clean off relatively easy. I'd say overall it's in really good condition, except for the RAM. There's your scales in there. Got your longitudinal scale right there. Cross-feed scale. And of course your Z-axis scale. You can see the piece that broke off in here on your RAM. All right, we thank you for looking at our product.